I'm Mortgage Mark. I'd like to invite you to our Chasing Excellence series. It's a once a month get together where we will go really intense for 30 minutes, where we will cover 3 topics, each one being 10 minutes each time. These are tactical workshops. These are not classes. These aren't seminars. They're not lunch and learns. We're trying to actually get something done and accomplished in these meetings. It's going to be the third Wednesday from 11:30 to 12:30. 11:30 to 12 is going to be fun. It's going to be food. It's going to be coming in and seeing us, playing catch up and chit chat and all that fun stuff. But at 12 o'clock sharp, from 12 to 12:30, we are hitting it hard and we're doing 3 different topics. We have the content laid out for the next 12 months. The first one's going to be something business related, and it's going to be, again, a tactic you can walk away with and implement it that day, right? And if not, you can at least have 80% of it done. So with all that to be said, it's going to be money related. It can be budgeting. It can be investing. It can be all kinds of just business things that are just really cool. We've done a lot of them ourselves, and it's on our to-do list. The second 10 minutes is going to be marketing related. Again, things we've done, things we wanted to hear from you, a little roundtable action. The third topic is going to be life hack. What can you do to be better, right? Better as a human, better for me, better husband, better father, better boss. Those are the things that, be more efficient, be more productive. Those are the things we're covering in that last 10 minutes. So every single time, our goal is to have you walk away and being like, yeah, that was freaking awesome. That's our goal, right? So please come join us. Share this with anybody you want to, doesn't have to be anybody in the real estate profession, just anybody that wants to be better. We'd love to see you. Please subscribe. Let us know if you guys have any input or any suggestions for future topics, and hopefully we'll see you very, very soon.